What's going on? I'm J-Ball, and we're here to talk about this bike. This is my V1 Volume Thrasher, and I just revamped it. If you watched my previous video called Building My Dream Bike, and it was this frame, and some of these parts too. I built up my Volume Thrasher with era correct 2010 parts, and I rode it, and it was fun. But it's time to move on. What I've done to this frame, this poor frame who's been through so much, is revamp it to make it a little bit more trick optimized. Actually, for starters, let's go over a little history lesson on the Volume Thrasher. The Volume Thrasher came out in 2010. It was one of the first fixed gear freestyle frames that was mass produced by Volume Bike Co., a BMX company who got a lot of shit for producing a fixed gear frame. Now, this wasn't Volume's first frame. They came out with the Volume Cutter, a few iterations of that. That was a strong track bike frame. It had some gussets and track bike geometry, but it couldn't fit fat tires. It didn't have a BMX mid-bottom bracket. So the Thrasher comes out in 2010. It's got mid-bottom bracket for BMX cranks, big tire clearance, or at least it was big at the time. Really good bar spin clearance at the time too. By today's standards, it's not quite as good, but in 2010, this was great bar spin clearance. And then it was also really strong. So this frame was really revolutionary when it came out, and Volume really led the charge on a lot of trick bike stuff. I spared you the actual building of the bike this time. I know a lot of times my videos, I build the bike with you, but you can actually watch me build this on the Patreon. So we skipped that step. We're here, the bike is built. So the way I built it up before had skinnier bars, lighter gear ratio, taller seat, I think shorter cranks, and a different fork. So we have the same frame, medium Volume Thrasher. Before I had a matching Volume Thrasher fork, which was nice because it matched the paint, but that fork actually isn't really that great. It's got a short axle to crown. It's not that strong, doesn't fit that fat of tires, so I've put a modern fork on there, the Master Bike Co. 700C chopstick fork. It's got 420 A to C and actually makes the bar spin clearance better on this frame. We go up to the top here, stem, the same, Demolition Stealth. Instead of the pink Volume Tricksters that I have on there, which are pretty skinny bars, we've got the Resist Congoloid bars, designed by my man Congo, aka Justin Mitchell, in 2011 they came out. As far as the wheels go, the wheels are the same, profile hubs, Chucker 700C rims with the Resist 45C Nomad tires, my favorite tires ever. The only difference now is that instead of whatever size cog I had on before, I don't even remember, we now have a 13-tooth cog, which makes this for a nice heavy ratio, because I like heavy ratios. So we're at 36-13. I used to ride 33-13 back in the day, so we're upping it by 3 teeth. I have a brand new Resist saddle, Resist Icon saddle. They recently reproduced these saddles. They're my favorite seats. Different cranks. I had 160 cranks on here before. They were Resist and polished and beautiful. These are actually 170 cranks, so worse bar spin clearance, but the cranks themselves are not 10 years old, which is nice. The bike is built, it's ready to shred. Unfortunately, it's nighttime right now, a little too late, and there's no parks with lights around. But as soon as I can, I'm gonna take this to the skate park and we're gonna film some tricks on it. Everyone misses 700C J-Ball, so we're back. I'm giving it to you. I gotta give the people what they want. So let's ride some 700C, gosh darn it. All right, let's do this. Need to tell the lads I'm on my way. Mr. Deacon and Mr. Pizza. I'm gonna use my hot dog lens cleaner on you. We are about 5 days later. It's not nighttime and it's finally not raining or bad weather. So here we are going to Schweitzer Skate Park. Schweitzer Skate Park is where we recently hosted Suck My Comp 7, the FGFS portion of it. That day, I actually didn't even bring my bike, so I didn't get to ride that skate park very much. So we're bringing the Thrasher there. See if I still got it, 700C. I don't know how comfortable it's gonna feel. I've obviously been riding a lot of 26-inch ever since I got put on rough. Very minimal 700C FGFS riding. You know, I have my Master Core Tech, that's 700C, but I'm not doing too many BMX style stunts on it. And then I had that one video where I built up my old LDG hammer, which you may or may not have seen. That was fun, but the hammer is kind of a boat. I think this Thrasher is actually gonna feel better than that hammer did. We're here at the site of Suck My Comp 7 FGFS with the pizza man.
Hi, how we doing?
What clips you gonna get?
I don't know. Whatever comes to my brain.
Do you wanna do the fly out?
Do I want to fly out of that fucking thing? Yeah, I guess
you
I'll
do the
just...
180.
Okay, yeah, sure, all right.
Yo.
So shitty.
Yo, it's the Deacon man. He made the man. Hello, man. Oh. Yo, that was sick.
Look at him. He's doing the I'm giving up roll.
Huh? Boom, that's it. Woo-hoo! Yeah! That was so good. That was perfect. Come on. Easy work. Full bore.
Fish eye.
You hitting the ledge again?
Yeah. For the fish eye.
That's a new one. That's an MDG right there, bro.
Time rewind.
Thrasher time. Thrasher time.
Bruh.
Broke off. Birthday, bad.
The knees. 7, 5, 4. Come up. 3.
He's still in it, folks. Oh my god. Oh my god.
That sucked.
Oh my god, you fucking...
I'm not trying that again. I'm not conditioned enough right now to do that. Although I almost did it first try. But we're gonna a little more chill.
Yeah.
More chill.
Big chillers from now on. Like this, Deacon. Show me a chiller. Ooh. Ooh. Whoa, you're okay. Yeah. Wow. Oh. Yeah. That don't count. Yeah, that counts.
J-ball is back for this video only. 700C limited me. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Thrasher V1, I would say the bike is a success. It feels exactly the way I wanted it to feel. It was pretty snappy, felt really responsive in a lot of the ways. I think the problem with that session was that not only is the bike a little bit unfamiliar to me because I'm used to my rough Glimmer 26-inch build, I'm also just like super rusty as a whole. I haven't been riding my bike very much lately, so I think I tried some things that were just a little bit hard without warming up to them. Like that was a rough session. I got bodied. That 540, the first attempt felt so good, and then I don't know what happened on that second try, but man, that hurt really bad. I like bailed midair and then hit my elbow on one of the tubes somewhere. Anyways, my elbow hurts, and the crank arm fall never feels good to fall like that. I have like a nice little hand guy here. The Thrasher definitely bodied me. 700C limited me, and 700C kicked my ass. But it was still really fun, and that bike is gonna stay in the arsenal for a while, exactly the way it's built. After everyone telling me, I miss 700C J-ball, I miss 700C J-ball, there was 700C J-ball. I'm glad he came out to play. 700C J-ball, cool guy. It's a cool guy, I like him. See you guys soon, and hopefully I don't fall as much.